Jai Sriman That is why you go back to Ayodhya and get Pattabhishekam done and start ruling the kingdom. To stand, to make sure that all the words given by our father to mother should come real. You have to be doing the same thing. Bharata, you said, you asked me to make sure that whatever the mistakes our father has done should be corrected by me, you said, right? Now you go ahead and get Pattabhishekam done, start ruling the kingdom. On behalf of me, you make sure all the mistakes done by our father corrected by you. You do that on behalf of me. And also you asked me to remove all kind of accusations on Mother Kaikamma. Now you go back and get Pattabhishekam done, start ruling the kingdom and keep Mother Kaikamma happy. All those accusations, slowly all the accusations will disappear on its own. Bharata, you go back and get Pattabhishekam done. Like this again, Sri Ramachandra Swami responding back to Bharata. Sri Ramachandra Swami saying to Bharata that, oh Bharata, there used to be a king called Gaya. He went to Gaya Kshetram and he has done Pitruyagam there. And he discloses a fact to the entire universe saying that Punnamno narakati yasmat pitaram trayate sutaha tasmat putra iti proktaha. He gave a definition to son. Who is the son? Whoever protects his father from a narakam called as Put. Whoever protects his father from that Put Narakam, he is known as son. He only defined as son, Putraha. That is why Bharata, all the fathers craves to have so many children who will be learned very well, who must be learned very well, who must be having scriptural knowledge very well. Why every father craves to have so many children? At least one of them would go to Gaya and do Pitruyagam for himself and protects him from that Put Narakam. Now we are four to our father Dasharatha Maharaju. Now what you need to do is, Bharata, you go back, Ayodhyam Gacha Bharata, you go back and you start ruling the kingdom. You are the one who has to protect our father from falling into that Put Narakam. Oh Bharata, now I am going to address you as Rajan. You are Raja. Now you should not be delaying anymore. Take everyone and go back to Ayodhya. I will also, without any delay, Pravekshye Dandakaranyam. I will enter into Dandakaranyam. You are the king for Ayodhya. Now I am the one who will be living in this forest and Vanyanam Ahamapi Rajaran Mruganam. I will be taking care of all the sages, munis here. I will also start protecting all the animals here. Bharata, you will have Svetatchetram, such a wonderful umbrella. Under that you will take rest. And that umbrella will give you shade. But for me, in this forest, all the trees will give me a shade and I will take rest under that. Bharata, for you, Shatrughna is with you to assist you. For me, Lakshmana is there. Like this, Chatvaraha Tanayavara Vayam. Let four of us together collectively make sure whatever our Father wished to do, let us make sure that happened here. Let four of us establish our Father's fame. Like this, Sri Ramachandra Swami convincing Bharata. When that is happening, after seeing that situation and scene, after seeing Bharata is crying and begging Rama, there is one Brahmana whose name is Jabali. Though he is Brahmana, now he is started talking with Ramachandra Swami while meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.